Okay, you guys, so we about to get right into it. Y'all see this video is only 5 minutes, so yeah, I did not come to play. I just wanted to get straight to the point. So as you can see, one of my eyes is already done, obviously, but that was using the Bperfect palette. Now for the other eye, I'm going to be using the Beauty Glaze Color Vibes palette. Now if you guys pay attention closely, then you would realize that this is the perfect dupe for the Love Tahiti palette. I already have a video up on my channel using another dupe from the palette, but I ended up finding another one shortly after that video, so I just wanted to incorporate it in today's video. This wasn't like a review kind of day, so but I still wanted to use the palette and everything like that, so I can just go ahead and talk to you guys about the palette a little bit while I'm just blending out my colors. I'll get more in depth with how to do like the halo eye when it gets to that part. But yeah, for now, I'm just doing what I would normally do for any other look, is just going in with the darkest shades first and then blending them out with the lightest. So yeah, you guys, this palette is really, really great. Like, I almost like it more than the other dupe palette that I have here on my channel. These shades are just so much more pigmented, so much more saturated, and I feel like they blend more seamlessly than the other palette. Like, it's bomb. Like, this palette really does the work for you almost. It's kind of like insane, and I was not expecting that from this palette at all. Like, I was extremely shocked. So yeah, I'm just really impressed by the palette. I will leave the link below, and I did use the shimmer as well in my inner corner and everything like that, just so you guys can see just how a shimmer works. I know this is majority like an all matte look, so yeah, I'm just going to be blending those colors out just like normal. And honestly, y'all, like, I am not a halo eye kind of person at all. Like, you rarely see that on my channel or on my Instagram page. Like, but I don't know, I had got requested to do this from a lovely subscriber of mine, and it just, I don't know, it motivated me to just get more into it. So yeah, you'll definitely see more halo eye looks here on my channel, because you know, it really helped me get out of my comfort zone and everything. So yeah, as I start to do them more, then I'll obviously get better at it. But yeah, I feel kind of weird trying to teach you guys how to do this, and I barely know how to do it myself. But yeah, honestly, I'm definitely gonna try like a different technique. Like, you'll see me cut the crease for the halo eye, but I feel like I really should have just like took the Q-tip and the baby oil like how I usually do, and just got rid of more of that eyeshadow, like the leftover eyeshadow, especially considering that it's a dark blue and purple. Like, you know, it's just, that just would have been better. Because I noticed with the palette, the dupe palette that I used, the coral shade that I put in the middle, it wasn't as popping as the other eye. So I'm just like, I kind of feel like maybe it has something to do with the quality of the palette, or it's just a simple fact that I feel like I used more eyeshadow base on the other eye, and just the simple fact that I didn't clean up the eyeshadow. So yeah, that could be the reason. But the look still came out pretty cute. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like, I feel kind of bad because I'm like, I'm barely teaching you guys how to do this, because I barely know how to do it myself. But hopefully this video can be helpful, and you can just, you know, follow through with the steps that I took in the video. So yeah, I didn't incorporate my face makeup or anything. But yeah, you guys, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed and it was helpful for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.